Have you ever gotten a repair bill for your electric vehicle and felt like you'd just been hit by a Tesla going 100 mph? Yeah, me too. That's why we're here today, to tackle the often bewildering world of EV repair costs. Why are they so high, and what can you do about it? Now, before we dive in, I want to be upfront. While I've done my best to research this topic, I haven't found any specific, recently published data on EV repair costs. Think of this as a deep dive into the *y* behind the high prices, based on general knowledge and common sense. So, let's buckle up and explore this together. One of the biggest reasons EV repair costs can be sky high is the sheer complexity of the technology. Think about it, you're not just dealing with an internal combustion engine, transmission, and a bunch of belts and hoses. We're talking sophisticated battery packs, powerful electric motors, complex electronic control units (ECUs), and a whole host of advanced sensors and software. Replacing or repairing any of these components isn't a simple job, and it requires specialized tools, training, and expertise, all of which drive up the costs. It's like comparing fixing a bicycle to fixing a spaceship. You're going to need a very different skill set and toolkit. Imagine trying to fix your smartphone's internal components yourself. Unless you're a seasoned tech whiz, you're probably going to take it to a professional, right? The same principle applies to EVs. These aren't your grandpa's cars, they are intricate pieces of machinery. And finding someone skilled enough to work on them, someone who understands the intricacies of the high-voltage systems, is crucial for safety. That scarcity of skilled technicians also contributes to higher prices. It's supply and demand at its finest, or perhaps its priciest. Another factor is the cost of the parts themselves. EV batteries, for example, are incredibly expensive. Replacing one can easily run into thousands, if not tens of thousands, of dollars. And because these batteries are often integrated into the car's structure, replacing them often involves significant labor costs as well. It's not just swapping out a part, it's a major undertaking. Think of it like this, the battery is the heart of the EV. Replacing it isn't like replacing a car battery, it's more like performing a heart transplant. Moreover, the diagnostic process itself can be lengthy and expensive. EVs rely heavily on sophisticated software and diagnostics, requiring specialized equipment to pinpoint problems. You can't just pop the hood and look for a loose wire, you need high-tech tools and the know-how to interpret the data they provide. This diagnostic phase adds to the overall cost and can sometimes feel like you're paying for a detective to solve a high-stakes mystery. The mystery, in this case, being the reason your electric car isn't working as smoothly as it should be. Now, what can you do to mitigate these potentially high costs? Well, preventative maintenance is key. Just like with any car, regular inspections, keeping your tires properly inflated, and following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule are crucial. This can help catch small problems before they escalate into major and expensive repairs. Another important aspect is purchasing an extended warranty or service plan. These can offer significant protection against unexpected repair bills, especially during the early years of ownership. Think of it as an insurance policy for your expensive electric heart. It's an investment that can potentially save you a fortune down the road. Finally, research and choose your repair shop wisely. Look for shops with experience in EV repair, technicians with proper certifications, and transparent pricing policies. Don't just choose the cheapest option, choose the one that offers expertise, quality, and good customer service. Read reviews, ask questions, and don't hesitate to get multiple quotes before committing to a repair. So, there you have it. EV repair costs can be high due to the complexity of the technology, the cost of parts, and the specialized skills needed for repairs. But by being proactive with maintenance, considering an extended warranty, and choosing your repair shop carefully, you can significantly reduce the risk of unexpected and potentially crippling financial blows. Now, if you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. Ultimately, understanding the factors that influence EV repair costs empowers you to make informed decisions and navigate the world of electric vehicle ownership with greater confidence. So, what's your biggest concern when it comes to maintaining your EV? Let me know in the comments below.